So I have this tarp I was using for shade while I was working out in front of the garage, and I had it anchored to the house with one of the grommets, and the wind picked up and it pulled the grommet right out of the tarp. So what I'm going to do is make a quick repair to it so I can anchor it back to the side of the house. And what I did is I went in the garage and found a couple flat washers, and I drilled a couple holes into each one of them so they're lined up. And I'm just going to screw them together through the tarp and then put little nuts on them. And I hope that's strong enough to hold this tarp together. Hold the washers on the tarp, and then it'll be anchored back to the house so I can use it for shade again. But let me go ahead and connect those together and throw them on the tarp, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Since this corner is all ripped apart, I decided to give it a little more strength. I'm going to take this material that's in the corner and just fold it, and then I'll work with that so that I have a little bit more strength for when the wind's pulling on this thing again. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's all screwed together with the nuts on it. What I'm going to do is now, to strengthen it a little bit more, is run a little bead of super glue around the washer on both sides. And then I'm going to take a razor blade and cut the center of this hole out so I have a place that I can actually anchor to now. So that's what it looks like after I cut the hole out. I have super glued around the edges of the washers on both sides and a little bit in between. So it should give it ample strength to hold on there as long as the rest of this tarp doesn't tear. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have more videos coming, and I'll catch you on the next video.